Hello, LinkedIn family. Jonathan here from Some Talented People. So today I want to talk to you about how we go about problem solving. Many of you, too many of you, have been put in situations this year that you could reasonably never have expected to plan for. And the ability of people to adapt to change is part of their cognitive skills. So cognitive therapy is very good. There's an application called My Cognition, which helps build this. But essentially, the older we get, if we've been at school, it starts here, but the older we get, the less likely and less able we seem to be to run different hypotheses. So if I do this, that might happen. Or if I do this, that might happen. That change of focus from one alternate to another becomes rapidly diminished as we add in hashtags experience into the mix. So we can, as adults, formulate probably hundreds of reasons why a thing won't work. But ultimately, you only actually get to see if that's true by running the hypothesis. So I'm going to hand over now. This is an edited part of a TED talk by a lady called Alison Gopnik, and it's about what babies think. But in the example here, you'll see a child and how they go about problem solving. And so my advice to you is that, as I've said in previous videos in this series, or throughout the last couple of weeks, if you go to a child and present what you need in a way that seems fun to them, their ability to problem solve will put most adults to shame. And the evidence of that is here. Have a nice day. I'll see you again. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya.
Here's one from Christine Laguerre's lab. What Christine did was use our blinket detectors, and what she did was show children that yellow ones made it go and red ones didn't, and then she showed them an anomaly. And what you'll see is that this little boy will go through 5 hypotheses in the space of 2 minutes. Okay, so his first hypothesis has just been falsified.
Nothing. This one's lighting up and this one's not.
Okay, he's got his experimental notebook out.
What's making this light up?
Every scientist will recognize that expression of despair, right?
Oh, it's because this needs to be like this, and this needs to be like that.
Okay, hypothesis 2.
That's why. Oh.
Now this is his next idea. He tells the experimenter to do this, to try putting it out over onto the other location. Not working either.
Oh, because the light goes only to here, not here. Oh, the bottom of this box has electricity in here, but this doesn't have electricity.
Okay, that's the 4th hypothesis.
It's lighting up. So we need to put 4. So we need to put 4 on this one to make it light up and 2 on this one to make it light up.
Okay, there's the 5th hypothesis. Now that is a particularly adorable and articulate little boy. But what Christine discovered is this is actually quite typical. If you look at the way children play, when you ask them to explain something, what they really do is do a series of experiments.